throw the bat up, he throws it down.
Williamson a wry smile. It's still on for both here.
Back 100 in the same test match for Stephen Smith. He joins an elite group of Australians who have done. No way, you cannot do that, Ben Stokes. That is remarkable.
That edge and it's gone. Great delivery, mind you. Some movement off the pitch, and young man Mohammad Amir will remember this wicket for a long, long time.
Gale! Oh, look out! This has gone all the way!
10 wickets this time. What a performance on the MCG.
It's gone straight past his nose. I'm sure he smelt the leather on this white cricket ball.